In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quantize in Soundtrap. Quantizing is a simple but powerful way to tighten up your timing by snapping your recorded notes to a musical grid. It's especially useful for MIDI performances that feel close but not quite locked to the beat. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access Quantize in Soundtrap and choose the right settings for a clean, musical result. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Soundtrap. Once you're on the site, look for the Login button. Click that to get to the sign-in options. For this walkthrough, select Log in with Google, then choose your Google account to continue. If your browser asks for permission or to pick an account, just confirm the one you use for Soundtrap. After you're signed in, you'll land on your Home or Projects page. Next, click on Studio to open the main music-making workspace. This is where your tracks, instruments, and editing tools live. If you already have a project, open it. If not, you can create a quick one with a software instrument so you have something to quantize. In your project, click on the track or the specific MIDI region you want to edit. Quantize works on MIDI notes, so make sure you're selecting a region that contains a performance you've recorded or drawn in. If you're working with audio, quantizing notes won't apply. This process targets MIDI note timing. With the region selected, look for the Edit controls. Click Edit and then choose Quantize. This opens your Quantize options. Here's where the magic happens. You'll choose the note value that matches the smallest rhythmic division in your performance. For steady beats or chords that land on the beat, try quarter notes. For typical grooves and melodies, eighth notes are a solid starting point. For faster patterns, tight hi-hats, or intricate lines, 16th notes often work best. If your part uses triplets, pick the corresponding triplet value so the timing locks in musically. After selecting a note value, play the section back and listen. You should hear your notes snap into place while preserving the musical intent. If it sounds too rigid, try a larger note value so fewer notes are forced onto the grid. If it's still loose, try a smaller value. You can always undo and test another setting until it feels right for the song. Remember, less can be more. Over-quantizing can remove the natural groove. That's it. Log in Open Studio, select your MIDI region, go to Edit, click Quantize, and choose the note value that fits your performance. Save your project, and you're ready to keep creating with confidence.